I'm really not a bad person. I just have bad thoughts. You can't tell me you haven't thought about pushing someone in front of the A train. Or sticking your hand into the garbage disposal. Or had the urge to swap someone's Cymbalta with cyanide. Wait. Check again. Normal pharmacists don't think about killing their patients. No, stop. Focus. Cymbalta. Cyanide. No. No. Blue and white capsules. 6, 8. Stop it. Start again. Focus. Blue and white. Focus. Why did you have that thought? Blue and white. Blue and white. Blue and white. Am I a bad person? No. Am I a bad person? Stop it! Am I a bad person?
We're never going to know if you're a good or a bad person the way OCD wants you to know. Those intrusive thoughts, they're going to keep happening. The goal is to learn that you can handle the discomfort they bring. I want you to keep practicing accepting the fact that something horrific could really happen, and yet you live your life. That's how you're going to overcome OCD.
Some people go to therapy to feel good, you know.
Right. And others come to therapy because they want something that will actually be helpful to them. And that's what we're going to keep doing. All right, before we're out of time, was there anything else that you wanted to bring up?
Okay, Olive. Come here, baby. Water's warm. I don't know.
Well, I want you to think about that for next time. And doctor's orders here. Enjoy your birthday. I'll see you next week, Sandra.
I should push her. Old bones snap like that. Stop it. What is wrong with you? Why did you just think that? Why would you have that thought? Did I like it? Why?
I have a vaccine appointment.
Am I a bad person? I guess I can't be certain. You may experience pain, tenderness, and swelling of the lymph nodes, nausea and vomiting, fever and rash. You may also experience a pharmacist jabbing a needle into your eye. Maybe.
Dream worlds are shattered each day by the score, and the love that once mattered doesn't matter anymore. Someday
Time for her bath.
someone says to you, darling, you and I are through. You see.
Great. Why don't you help me this time?
She's safer with you.
You're killing me. You've never given her a bath.
I don't know what I'm capable of doing, Thomas. I don't know what I'll do to her.
You've never held her.
Sorry, I'm sorry.
Hold your baby.
No, don't, please. Please.
I don't understand.
I don't either. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
You've never held her.
I want to.
Sorry we're late. This is Joy. She turned 3 months today. I thought it could be fun, you know? Make this a birthday tradition.
Can I hold her?
Yeah, Mom.
Have heartaches overtaken you? Has someone made you oh so blue? If not, you've got a lot to look forward to. Did someone ever say goodbye? Did someone ever make you cry? If not, you've got a lot to look forward each day by the score, and the love that once mattered doesn't matter anymore. Someday when someone says to you, darling, you and I are through, you'll see what you had